Hey, welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to change the heating elements in a water heater because sometimes they blow out. I am using this plumber's pack by Camco USA. And I'll be changing an AO Smith Pro Line. It's a 50 gallon heater. So if your hot water is no longer going and you think the elements might be burnt out, you gotta do is change it. I'll also be using these tools right here. I got a drill and a element socket. So that's what you're gonna need. You can probably use other things, but I would suggest using one of them. Okay. So first step, you come over here to your box, and you want to make sure your water heater is off. See right here, it says off and on. Turn that off. You do not want that on. Next, come over here, shut your water off. But sometimes those ball valves cannot be working. So you go outside and you turn the water off there. Now for this house, it's a well house, so it's got a pump. So turn the water off here, off, no flow. Next, you're gonna take your hose and connect it down here to this drain. After your hose is connected, take a flathead and drain the water here. Wait till the water heater is drained so you don't open this and open this. All that water is not coming out all over the place. After this is all drained, you can take off this panel right here. Now you see this? Oh my gosh. You can take this off right here. Right here. And you see, bam. That looks familiar. Oh yeah. Wow. Now this is why you took, or you switched it off from the electricity. You want to remember which wire goes to where when you do all this. Okay, there's a wire here too, right there. All right. This is also, if it's too cold, you can turn it up. But the higher you turn it, the shorter lifespan your heater's gonna have. Now that's out. I'm gonna put this new one in. Now I unscrewed those, and I'm taking this undone, pull it out, and that is a burnt element. This looks like this. Wow. Put it right in here. And tighten it. Next, we're gonna do the same for the bottom one. Unscrew it. Take this off. Now you got this. Wow. Now you might be like, hey, CJ, this one has a green and yellow wire, but this doesn't have that little green screw. That is supposed to be your ground wire. So, should be fine to just, not mess with it after you take this one out. Okay. Oh, actually, you can probably just leave it right there. But we'll see. See, I didn't need to take the ground out at all. Should have moved the little bracket and replaced those two wires. Now we're gonna take this out. Well, this is important. If you haven't drained your heater all the way, water will shoot out of this bottom one. Okay? Make sure it's drained all the way. You can open this little valve up here. You don't want to not disconnect your hose yet. Turn the valve off. Not disconnect your hose until you're completely done, just in case you gotta do the whole process again and you hook something up wrong. Now, after your heater's full, let's turn it on with the switch. See if it kicks on. Sounds like it did. It normally takes about 20 minutes or so to heat up a little bit, and like 40 minutes, I think, for full heat. So let's give it some time and see. So now that I have filled up the water heater, turned the electrical on, and waited the correct amount of time, see how much hot water we have. Wow. Oh yeah, that's nice and steamy. Woo, that's actually really hot. Hey, it worked. So there you go. That's how you change out elements on a water heater. Be careful. There's electricity involved and water.